Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just chatting with my friends. Oh, and today, if you're wondering what this message is, if you already read it, well, we did a leavers assembly, and it was really emotional. So that's what I sent them right now, and I'm just gonna be texting them. So yeah. Hello, girls. Ant? Yeah, that's definitely a word. Oh wait, ant, yeah, that is a word, but yeah, ant is a word, but you know, not the word I was looking for. Hello, is there anybody in there? Is there anybody in there? I saw that on Musical.ly, it's really weird. Oh, I should probably go on Musical.ly. I'm going to keep recording, but like on my phone. Should I film my dog? Because that's what my channel is all about. Should I film her? Hello, is there anybody in there?
Andrea had a bit now.
Yeah, she sounds really sweet on stage. Have you not noticed?
She's very American, does Andrea.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I've got to show my music, please, haven't I? Right. Why is it Sif Tuppy. There we go. Ah, look at that news. You know, they're not even as cool as the other ones, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. But come on, I got 28 fans. Please come more. If you're subscribed to me on here, please follow me on music because I'm just really good. No, I'm really not. But I'm okay. So please follow me. And then I'll follow you back.
Yeah. Nicola said Alex.
Because if you got like 1,000 fans and you follow me, I know you're following me. You gotta follow that. You can go. And unfollow. And unfollow me. So you better not do that. No. Bye. I'm just gonna go because this is really long. Quick, I mean.